Because of fear and anxiety in the minds of counselors, supervisors under GEDC counseling scheme. The Goa Education Development Corporation employed counselors and supervisors to serve as a dedicated professional in various high school, higher secondary school all over Goa. In the last 10 years, they have taken crucial tasks in enhancing students' well-being and academic success. It involves in supporting 198 school and 61 higher secondary school, thereby visiting 3 schools weekly, conducting workshop, consulting among students, teachers and parents. They serve as a trusted confidence among students dealing with sensitive issues like sexual abuse, self-harm, family crisis, anxiety, depression and various other issues. Statistics reflect the scope for reducing suicides, enhancing the career guidance, healthcare, education and welfare. Moreover, during COVID-19 pandemic, more severe challenges supporting students at remote areas with mental health crises, social isolation and therefore urge upon to improve the develop their employment security and fair compensation. Today they are drawing 30,000 per month to the councillors and 35,000 per month to the supervisors, revised after 10 years of gap. I therefore request the government to kindly look into the matter, considering their dedicated work towards students, communities and institutions to enhance present salary and if possible to regularize their services to safeguard the security in their job along with the age bar in the long run.
स्पीकर सर, तांच्यांनी आमच्या GEDCच्या वतीन आसलेल्या कावन्सिलरांचो विशय हो सभागृहाच्या मुखार हाडला. कावन्सिलर्स खूब बरें काम करता, बऱ्या पद्धतीचे कावन्सिलींग एडेड आनी गव्हर्मेंट स्कुलांनी करता. हांव एप्रिशिएट करता. तांच्यांनी सॅलरीचो विशय जो आहा पळय तो आमी आतांच रिवायज केला. हांव तरी म्हणजे GEDC डिपार्टमेंटाक सांगून बाकीचे कितें करप शक्य आसत जाल्यार ते पळयता.